Springbrook Golf Course renovations are complete and golfers can hit the links for the first time on the updated course beginning June 15th. A ribbon cutting ceremony will be held beforehand at 4:30 p.m. on Wednesday, June 14th. The public is invited to attend and can compete in a chipping and putting contest. The golf course itself has gone through many changes in both the quality and the design of the course. One of Springbrook's missions was to update its bunker drainage system.
So all the bunkers are better billy bunkers, and that's going to save us a lot of time with labor. In the past we had really big bunkers here, no drainage in them, or very old drainage. Now with better billy bunkers, we can have 2 inches of rain and there won't be a drop of water in them. They'll drain well. They'll rarely wash out.
In addition to the drainage, Springbrook Golf Course changed the size and quantity of bunkers, in addition to more fairway space throughout the 18 holes.
A lot of the bunkers are smaller, not as big, but we do have more bunkers. So I think playability-wise, with all the fairway expansions as well, we added close to 2 acres of fairways, which is a lot throughout the golf course, because before we had about 19 acres of fairways. Now we're looking closer to 22 acres.
Springbrook Director of Golf, Kevin Carlson, explains that the course will have an eyebrow effect around all its bunkers. It lets the bunkers stand out with short grass at the bottom and taller grass towards the top of the bunker.
Most of the lies in the bunkers that you're going to get are going to be relatively flat, and they're going to be easier for people to get out of, but then there's still going to be the challenge of dealing with that face and getting over that.
The course will now have different walls surrounding its ponds, using an Eden stacked stone wall instead of steel. New bridges are in place along holes 9 and 10. Another notable course improvement is the tee boxes.
We actually have a 5-inch layer sand-capped tee boxes, so the top 5 inches is all a 7-to-1 divot mix, 70% sand mix, which is going to help with drainage and playability and keeping them nice and firm.
In regards to hole changes at Springbrook, the iconic long par 5 hole 11 was the biggest undertaking. The pond next to the green was dredged before being excavated.
We actually moved it over a little bit to make room for run-up area to number 11 green here, so that the fairway and the approach go straight into the green, rather than in the past it would go off to the left side and the pond would be covering at least half of the green.
The first hole showcases an expanded fairway and a smaller fairway bunker. Also, a new green left side bunker was added. Hole 8 also sees a new bunker complex and bunkers added, making it a challenging tee shot. The 9th green looks a bit different with the cart path in a different spot, while also having a new right side green bunker. The course is set to reopen for play on Thursday, June 15th, but with the renovations being so new, the amount of tee times available will remain limited for the first few weeks.
We know there's a couple areas on the golf course that aren't quite fully mature yet, so we want to take care with making sure we're not getting too many people out there right away.
For Naperville News 17, I'm Joe Kennedy.